What's up, y'all? So today I just dropped a piece for my boy Dino. This one is another commission. This was the one on the wall. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. It was the first one he got. This one he just wanted a little more abstract faces on this. A cool thing about this piece, when you turn it upside down, it has a lot more that you can find in it. So I'll just turn it upside down real quick. Well, as you see, this could be an eye, this could be an eye, this is a mouth. Same thing on this side, there's an eye, mouth. And you can just look through the rest of the piece to find new things. That's kind of how these pieces work. It's similar to my first collection, the Can We Be Kids Again collection. One interesting detail you'll find in all of those pieces from the collection is this black eye. So yeah, we're gonna place this one on the wall, and I'm just gonna let y'all hear a little bit about him and what he thinks about the piece. Alright y'all, so we're here with my boy Dino. So could you just tell them about what you do, you know, who you are, all that?
What's good? I'm Dino. I'm a project manager. That's my boy Issa to make me something hard, and man, he delivered, you know, like usual.
Appreciate you.
Crazy, bro.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So right now we're just gonna hang it up and replace it with this piece.
We really did still have commensurate on you?
Bro, these things were disappointment. Smoke.
For real.
Alright y'all, so boom, you got the piece up. It's looking really nice in this crib. You know, shout out to Dino. Thank you, Dino, for supporting. Appreciate all of y'all for always rocking with me. Love the support. When Dino gets a crib, you know, more art in there. So we praying that, you know, you speed up on that process when you get in the house, bro.
Hey man, soon.
But I'm working on a couple more commissions, so y'all will see those soon. Thank y'all for rocking with me. There's always, if you're interested in getting some art from me, message me, fill out a form on my website, you know, all that. But I'll see y'all soon. Peace.